This is an introduction to the major influences in behaviorism, one of the biggest theories in psychology. To start, the definition of behaviorism is the idea that behaviors can be observed, modified, and learned. Behaviorism was founded by John B. Watson, who is most famous for his Little Albert study, in which he presented an infant, Little Albert, with a furry animal and then presented a buzzer so that Little Albert would learn to associate the furry animal with the shock he felt when he heard the buzzer. Another major influence in behaviorism was Ivan Pavlov, who trained dogs to salivate when lab assistants entered the room they were in and rang a bell. He used the terms unconditioned and conditioned stimuli and unconditioned and conditioned responses. In his experiment, the unconditioned stimuli were the food and the bell, and the conditioned stimulus was the bell later when not presented with the food. In both instances, the conditioned and unconditioned responses were the dog salivating. Pavlov termed the idea of classical conditioning. B.F. Skinner contributed to behaviorism by inventing the Skinner box, in which he would place pigeons and observe their behavior. When a pigeon learned to peck when a card flashed the word peck, they would be rewarded with food, which exemplifies positive reinforcement. Albert Bandura conducted the Bobo doll experiment, where he exposed one group of children to a video containing someone hitting the doll, and another group of children to a video not containing violence. He then constructed the social learning theory, explaining that when exposed to behavior, children, as well as people, will model it. Thank you.